For today's VidJoes, if konti lang oras mo sa Sapporo, but gusto mo ma-experience ang snow activities, local food, hidden gems, at winter festival, this one-day itinerary is perfect. From morning chill spots hanggang magical ice festival sa gabi. Let's go! Start your day sa Makomanai area, one of the underrated winter spots near central Sapporo. Usually ang pinupuntahan dito sa park ay yung Maui statue, Stonehenge at Hills of Buddha na scenic areas. Arrive early para less tourist. Opening hours, around 6:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Entrance, free. What to do? Morning snowy walk, cinematic winter photos, Olympic-related landmarks nearby. Why start here? Hindi pa crowded and perfect pang warm-up sa winter day. Next, head to one of the best beginner-friendly winter parks near Sapporo. Ang Takino Snow World is inside a national park and super beginner-friendly, even if first time mo makakita ng snow. Winter hours, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Entrance, free during winter season. Optional lift ticket, around 180 to 240 yen depending weekday or weekend. What to expect? Snow tubing and sledding, beginner ski slopes, snowshoe walking trails, wide snowy landscapes. Pro tip, hindi siya hardcore ski resort, mas chill siya. Perfect if gusto mo lang mag-enjoy sa free snow tubing. Time to refuel kasi winter equals gutom mode activated. Iba din ang pagod pag winter. Plus points na malapit lang ito sa first two tourist spot location. Toritama Farm is known for chicken dishes, farm-style meals, cozy vibes with matching hot ramen. Farm to table sila, so fresh talaga i-serve sa'yo ang order mo. They even make their own ramen noodles. Don't worry, may English translation ang menu nila kaya hindi siya mahihirapan. Unless super dami kang preference like allergies and food options, I suggest magbaon ka na lang. Hindi sila ang mag-a-adjust sa inyo. Aray naman sa'yo. What to try? Chicken rice bowls, fried chicken sets, warm soup meals, lifesaver sa lamig. Especially ang foamy miso ramen ang sarap. VidJoes. Yes, thrift shopping in Japan hits different. Nandemo Big Bang is a massive recycle sachin thrift store where pwede ka makahanap ng anime figures, vintage clothes, random Japan finds, toys and collectibles. Why visit? Budget-friendly souvenirs, unique haul content for vlog, treasure hunt energy. Honestly, parang real-life mystery box. Check items specially yung may mga tag pa. Bago pa at hindi gamit pero sobrang mura. Iba talaga ang Japan. Saving the main character moment for last. Lake Shikotsu Ice Festival is one of the most aesthetic winter festivals near Sapporo. Ice sculptures made from lake water na illuminated at night is legit magical vibes. Entrance fee, 1,000 yen for festival season. Travel time from Sapporo area, around 1 hour plus. What to expect? Glowing ice sculptures, ice tunnels and domes, winter illumination, frozen fairy tale atmosphere. Useful winter travel tips. Layered clothing is key. Heat tech plus jacket combo. Waterproof boots. Snow can be deep. Bring cash for smaller restaurants. Check last bus train schedules always. Japan transportation is precise but strict, LOL. A lot of restrooms so don't worry, especially sa mga nagmamarka ng teritoryo every location na parang Shih Tzu. If gusto nyo makita ang ibang side ng Sapporo beyond city center, this one-day winter route combining Makomanai, Takino Snow World, local food spots, thrift shopping, and Lake Shikotsu Ice Festival is perfect for a full winter experience. Tara, mga ka-VidJoes!